Hey, welcome back. So, we have here a new Naruto pop that we're going to take a look at, as well as giveaway details at some point in time in the video, which you'll have to watch to figure out what those details are. So, I will see you in a few. Welcome back. Thank you once again for being here. I am Ricardo, also known as the Pop Patrol. And if you're here for the first time, I mega appreciate it. Thank you for stopping. And we are going to take a look on the new pop from Naruto. So they released this guy recently, and this is Naruto eating noodles, is what we're calling it. They just listed it as Naruto Uzumaki for some reason. I don't know why it doesn't have a title of its own. But we're going with Naruto eating noodles. I feel like they dropped the ball on this one because they probably definitely should have put this one in the noodle box that they recently did instead of putting Kakashi. But you know, it is what it is. It is a box lunch exclusive, which is why we have that special edition sticker. So if you're in Canada and wondering where to find this guy, you get him in EB Games. That is where he's been sold. I am not sure if he's been sold anywhere else, but that is where you'll find him. And before we take a closer look at him and take him out of the box, details for the giveaway. So for the giveaway, we have 2 pops is what we're gonna do. So since we're reviewing Naruto products, Naruto pops, the first person who I draw from the giveaway will win this lovely pop. Kaguya from the NYCC convention. So it is a shared sticker. It isn't a con sticker. But as you can see, it is pretty much 100% 10 out of 10 in my estimation box. So you guys should be happy about that one. And second place winner will get this lovely guy, Jeffrey as Superman. Hopefully someone in the US wins this one. As you know, you guys can get it over there. So we have 2. First place winner gets this one. Second place will get Jeffrey. So about the details. First, subscribe as well as like this video. And we're going to do keyword destiny. So in the comments below, include destiny in whatever sentence it is that you're saying. And as well as leave your Instagram account in the comments so that I can contact you if you're the winner. So again, subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave destiny as part of your comment in the comments, make it into a sentence, whatever, as well as leave your Instagram account name, right? So we have those few things, and we will run this giveaway up until, let's see, Monday, December 7th at 5 p.m. That will be the cutoff time. And the giveaway winner will be announced in the video that I release Tuesday morning at 8 Pacific time. So cutoff time Monday, 5 p.m. PST on December 7th. So I hope you guys have all of that. Good luck. And we'll get back into the review. So, there is the guy. Isn't he awesome looking? So, that is Naruto eating ramen. This is 100% his most favorite thing to do in the anime. He always goes and grabs ramen, mostly when he's back in town. When he was in town all the time growing up, that is all he used to do for the most part. I'm not even sure if Naruto eats anything other than ramen. That is what he does all the time. So this is a pretty nice pop. They don't do seated pops too often, so it's nice that there's this one. A nice touch would probably be if they added a bench for him to sit on as part of the entire pop thing, but it's fine. I like it. So that is Naruto eating ramen. Hope you guys enjoy this pop, and I hope if you're looking for one that you get one. So that is all for this video. It's a very short video, and good luck once again to everyone who's entering the giveaway. This giveaway is only open for US and Canada. I did not say that. So if you're in US and Canada, only for US and Canada. At least this time around. So thank you for watching. Thank you for being here once again. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe as well as like. So like and subscribe. I mega appreciate it. Thanks again for 100 subscribers. That is a mega major milestone, a huge accomplishment. I appreciate it. Thank you for supporting me. I hope to see you guys again soon. Bye for now.